Welcome to 1296 Roanoke Road, a classically beautiful Monterey Colonial set in a gorgeous neighborhood that's ideal for planting roots. Hi, it's Eva Lin. Today I'm at my latest listing in picture-perfect Southwest San Marino. Wide, tree-lined streets and handsome character homes are found all around, creating a truly special setting for daily living. I'm excited for you to see this beautiful residence, so let's head inside for a closer look. To the right of the foyer, the formal living room is spacious and elegant with a large bay window that looks out to the picturesque neighborhood. The inviting family room provides direct access to the backyard for a natural indoor-outdoor flow. To the left of the foyer, the dining room is wrapped in windows and offers a gorgeous setting for special meals with loved ones. The kitchen is generously sized with a charming, sunlit breakfast area for quick meals on the go. Completing the main level, you'll find a handsome library office along with a tidy bedroom, three-quarter bath, and a laundry room. A gorgeous staircase leads upstairs to the home's 3 additional bedrooms. Each is spacious and bright, and the primary suite includes a romantic balcony. The home's low-maintenance backyard is great for summer fun, with a large entertaining patio and sparkling pool. So that was 1296 Roanoke Road, a special San Marino home that brings everyone closer together in a beautiful environment. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, I invite you to reach out to me while there's still time. I look forward to meeting you soon, and thank you so much for watching.